Dear students, with our RYKBIO YouTube channel, I am your tutor Kamal Makbul. Please subscribe our channel, RYKBIO channel, like it, share it, and comment it. Today our topic is peripheral nervous system. Yes, we'll learn about peripheral nervous system today. But before we go into the topic peripheral nervous system, we'll have a look of coordination. We learned in the previous lessons that coordination has two divisions: nervous coordination and chemical coordination. Nervous coordination is further divided into two divisions: central nervous system (CNS) and peripheral nervous system, that is PNS. Central nervous system comprises brain and spinal cord, whereas peripheral nervous system comprises the nerves and ganglions. Nerves play a major role in peripheral nervous system with the connection of the nerves with central nervous system, that is brain and spinal cord. The nerves are of two types: cranial nerves and spinal nerves. With respect to the connection with brain and spinal cord, nerves are divided into two categories: cranial nerves and spinal nerves. Cranial nerves are connected with brain, and there are 12 pair of cranial nerves which are connected with the brain, 12 on the right side of the brain and 12 on the left side of the brain. So there are 12 pair of cranial nerves that are connected with the brain. Spinal nerves are those nerves which are connected with the spinal cord, and there are 31 pair of spinal nerves which are connected with the spinal cord, 31 on the right side of the spinal cord and 31 on the left side of the spinal cord. Spinal nerves and cranial nerves, spinal nerves and cranial nerves together make two pathways. Yes, cranial nerves and spinal nerves together make two pathways. The one is sensory pathways and the other is motor pathways. Sensory pathways and the motor pathways. Sensory pathways are those pathways in which the stimulus message is taken from receptors and sent to the central nervous system, whereas in motor pathways the response message is sent from central nervous system to the effectors. Motor pathways are further divided into somatic nervous system and autonomic nervous system. Yes, motor pathways are divided into two pathways, somatic nervous system and autonomic nervous system. Somatic nervous system prepares the body for voluntary movements. Yes, it controls voluntary movements which are under our will and intentions. These voluntary movements are the movements of skeletal muscles. Skeletal muscles are those muscles which are attached to the skeleton, like arms and legs, muscles which are connected to the arms and legs. So our legs movement or arms movement are voluntary movements, and they are under somatic nervous system. Autonomic nervous system controls involuntary movements which are not under our will. So these movements are not under our wills and they are not under our intentions. Involuntary movements includes the movement of smooth and cardiac muscles. Cardiac muscles are the muscles of the heart which contract and relax by their own, and so they are not under the control of our will. Our brain control them without our intentions, and the contraction and the relaxation of the smooth muscles like the peristaltic movement of the stomach and intestines, these are involuntary movements. So autonomic nervous system control these involuntary movements. Autonomic nervous system has two categories: sympathetic nervous system and parasympathetic nervous system. Sympathetic nervous system prepares the body for emergency situations like fight and the flight of the birds, fight or running away of the animals. These are the emergency situations or stress situation. The changes which occur during sympathetic nervous system or emergency situations, these changes include dilation of the pupil. Yes, the pupil dilates so that maximum light may enter into the eye. A sympathetic nervous system also inhibits digestion. Sympathetic nervous system increase heartbeat and BR, that is breathing rate. So sympathetic nervous system increase heartbeat and breathing rate. The other system, parasympathetic nervous system, work oppositely. Parasympathetic nervous system restores our normal situations, so it maintains normal situations of the body. So the pupil that has dilated now contracts again, and the digestion process start again, and the normal heartbeat and breathing rate are maintained again. So today's topic, I hope you would have better understood, you would have liked it, and if you like the video, please share, like and comment it. Take care and God bless you.